Scary, a dark car. It's not real scary, so I don't think anybody's going to be literally screaming. But we'd like for you all to visit that sometime during the ride. Appreciate having you here again. We do have water for sale on the train, and I do have the calendars for $5 for 2012. Okay, we're safely across the Yucca Street crossing out there, so you're free to get up and move about the train and take a look at all of our decorations. Our front car, the darkened car, has the most decorations and is most interesting to go look at. We got a couple of skeletons and we got all kinds of creepy things in there, so be sure and go take a look at that.